Welcome to the Easy Art Time. Let's play together. 3, 2, 1. Start. I guide you step by step. So, grab your pencils and markers and let's get drawing together.
Let's start drawing once again. Lines and circles, shapes so bright. Easy art time makes it right. Easy art time, sing along. Drawing pictures all day long. Cats and dogs and stars above. Easy art time is filled with love. Make a rainbow, make a tree. Anything you want can be. With some colors, big and small. At Easy Art Time we draw them all. Easy Art Time, sing along. Drawing pictures all day long. Smiles and laughter, brush in hand. Art is magic, isn't it grand? Red and yellow, blue and green, the brightest colors you've ever seen. Purple, orange, pink and gold. At Easy Art Time the stories are told. Easy Art Time, sing along. Drawing pictures all day long. Cats and dogs and stars above. Easy Art Time is filled with love. A happy sun, a smiling moon. Let's keep drawing all afternoon. Every picture, big or small, at Easy Art Time is filled with love.
Easy Art Time, sing along. Drawing pictures all day long. Rainbows shining up above.
Easy Art Time is filled with love. Great job, little artists. Thanks for drawing with us at Easy Art Time. See you next time. Hey friends, welcome to Easy Art Time. Grab your crayons and let's draw again. Grab your crayons, grab your pen. Let's start drawing once again. Lines and circles, shapes so bright. Easy Art Time makes it right. Easy Art Time, sing along. Drawing pictures all day long. Cats and dogs and stars above. Easy Art Time is filled with love. Make a rainbow, make a tree. Anything you want can be. With some colors, big and small. At Easy Art Time we draw them all. Easy Art Time, sing along. Drawing pictures all day long. Cats and dogs and stars above. Easy Art Time is filled with love. Make a rainbow, make a tree. Anything you want can be. With some colors, big and small. At Easy Art Time we draw them all. Easy Art Time, sing along. Drawing pictures all day long. Drawing pictures all day long. Draws and all day long.
Remember, you can choose any colors you like. Make it your own.
Red and yellow, blue and green, the brightest colors you've ever seen. Purple, orange, pink and gold. At Easy Art Time stories are told. Easy Art Time, sing along. Drawing pictures all day
Thanks for
long.
watching.
Cats and
Don't
dogs
forget
and
to
stars
subscribe
above.
and hit the bell
Easy Art
so you
Time
never
is
miss out
filled
on new
with
adorable
love.
drawings. If you enjoyed drawing with me today, please give this video a big thumbs up. Your support means so much and helps me create more fun and easy tutorials.
Big or small, Easy Art Time is filled with love.